How to turn on friend requests, push notifications on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off friend requests, push notifications on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here and go down, click settings and then click here, notifications, and go down and you will find this one. Click on it and then click save and OK, and that's how to turn on friend requests, push notifications on Roblox mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and then see you in the next video.